In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Jenni AI for paraphrasing. And before we begin, there's a link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment. So in case you would like to try out Jenni AI for yourself completely for free, click that link and you'll start going with it. So if you want to use the paraphrasing tool inside Jenni AI, here's how you can do it. First, you have to have some text over here, so you can either have written some text yourself over here inside the document, or you may have pasted it in here and you just want to paraphrase it. Either way, what you can do is just first select the text. So let's say this is the text I would like to paraphrase over here. You just want to select it, and then there will open up this command bar up top. What you want to do, you want to click on AI commands over here, and from here you will see under edit or review, you can see the paraphrase tool. Now when you hover over it, you get a few options. So Jenni AI gives you options to paraphrase either academically, casually, persuasively, boldly, or friendly. So you can choose one. For example, this time I'm gonna choose friendly over here, and as you can see, it's gonna start writing, and just like this, in just a few seconds, it just retyped this and completely paraphrased what I just had written. So as you can see over here, it paraphrased everything. And then if you are happy with this selection, you can just press replace selection, and if you do that, it's going to replace the current text with the newly generated and paraphrased text. If you are not happy with it, you can simply press try again, and then it will do it yet again and suggest something that you may like better than the previous version. If you don't like it, you can press try again, yet again, or simply discard it, but if you do, you can just press replace selection or insert below your current text, and that way you can see both versions. So for this instance, I'm just going to replace it, and there we go. It just replaced my text and also made it bold, so we can easily follow and see which part is actually replaced and paraphrased and which part is not. So that's pretty much it. That's how you use Jenni AI for paraphrasing. Again, if you want to try Jenni AI for yourself, there's a link down below in the description and in the pinned comment. You can try Jenni AI with that link completely for free, and I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.